for the preparation of amines. How these amines can be prepared? There are 6 types of preparations, 6 ways we can prepare amines. Okay, the first one is preparation of amines from nitro compounds. Second one, preparation of amines from nitriles, means cyano compounds. Nitrile or cyano compounds. Third one, reduction of amines. Fourth one, ammonolysis. Ammonolysis of alkyl halide. Fifth one, HBD reaction. Hoffman bromide degradation reaction. HBD reaction. Sixth one, Gabriel thalamide synthesis or reaction. So these are 6 varieties of preparation where we can prepare amines. Preparation of amines from nitro compounds, from nitriles or cyano compounds, reduction of amide, then ammonolysis, HBD reaction, Gabriel thalamide reaction. After reduction of amides, I explain HBD, then I will go for ammonolysis. So let's discuss one by one. First reaction is reduction of nitro compounds. Now, in order to convert nitro compound into amines, we need reducing agents. Now, reduction takes place. Reducing agents are which one? Nascent hydrogen is a reducing agent. Nascent hydrogen, the things required for this reaction is nascent hydrogen. Whether nascent hydrogen, how we get nascent hydrogen? By the catalytic action. Now what are the catalysts we use? We use finely divided pieces of, small pieces of these metals, iron or platinum or palladium or tin. These are sometimes nickel also we used. Okay, nickel, either iron or platinum or palladium or tin or nickel. These are the catalysts which, when treated in the acid medium, say in HCl, when these metals which when treated with HCl, it produces the nascent hydrogen. Which is also called as just bond hydrogen. Among all, first of all, let's discuss the reaction. Nitro compound, general reaction, RNO2 is nitro compound where R is alkyl group or aryl group. Maybe CH3 or C2H5, or you can consider it as a ring, which when treated with This mixture 10 HCl, it produces nascent hydrogen. How many hydrogen? 6 hydrogens. In this way I will write hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. Total how many? 6 hydrogens. What happens here is eliminated. Water gets eliminated. So much gets eliminated. Remaining will be substituted. Remaining will be substituted. In the product is RNH2 plus H2O. How many H2O? 2 H2O. What is this? This is amine. Okay, this obtained is amine. Which amine is this? It is 1 degree amine. So this reaction is most favorable reaction in the production of primary amines. Okay, we have taken RNO2 nitro group. So nitro compound converted into primary amines. Okay, this reaction. But make sure that in the iron, platinum, palladium, tin and nickel, the most favorable and most advantageous catalyst is iron. Iron scrap, we can call it as iron scrap. Iron scrap is preferentially used. Why iron scrap is preferentially used? Because one thing is iron is cheaper compared to all other metals, and also the one best usage of iron here it is when it combines with this one HCl, FeHCl, it produces ferric oxide. Ferric chloride, ferrous chloride. This ferrous chloride get precipitated easily and it get hydrolyzed easily. To produce HCl. This reaction itself on whenever it is there is the formation of product water, again FeHCl. I have taken SnHCl, but FeHCl is most favorable. It produces ferric chloride precipitate which further get hydrolyzed easily in the production of excess of HCl. So that the reaction becomes faster and the obtained product will be more, so yield will be more. Now let's take example alkyl nitrous. Suppose I will take NCH3 NO2 which is called as nitromethane, which when reacts with 6 hydrogen which are nascent hydrogen in presence of iron or HCl, we can also take tin or HCl, whatever it is, we can take to form CH3 NH2 plus H2O. How many? 2. What is this? This is called as nitromethane. Nitromethane can be easily and directly converted into methanamine or methyl amine. You can take aromatic ring, which is nothing but our benzene NO2, nitrobenzene. Same reaction will carry out. This is nascent. For nascent, you should write bracket, which when reacts with 6 hydrogen to form. Here we can take nickel HCl. Nickel HCl can also be taken here, which can be converted, or tin also you can take tin or nickel or tin also you can take to form phenylamine. Phenylamine generally is called as aniline. Aniline plus water molecules. Okay, this is one set where we can produce 2 types. One is the nitromethane. Nitrobenzene can also be the most favorable is here take Sn. You can also take nickel, but Sn is preferable. But iron is most advantageous cost-wise, economy-wise. Iron is preferred, and iron also produces easily get hydrolyzed. So it also speed up the reaction. Yield formation is more. This is one preparation where methylamine can be prepared and lead can also be obtained. Reduction of nitrates. Reduction of nitrates. So in the reduction of nitrates, again the catalyst we use is nickel HCl or nickel hydrogen or Cl. Alkyl cyanide or alkyl nitrile, which is also called as nitrate, RCl, reacts, get reduced by itself by using the reducing agent nickel HCl, which produces 4 hydrogen which are easily get substituted in the double bonding, okay, to form CH2 NH2. So this is alkyl nitrile. Alkyl nitrile get converted into alkylamine and best suitable to produce 1 degree alkyl amine. 1 degree primary alkylamines are obtained. Now, as examples, we can take CH3 CN methyl, that is methyl cyanide, methyl cyanide reacts with nascent hydrogen in presence of nickel HCl and obtain the product CH3, then CH2, then NH2. It is 1 degree, that is degree is 1 degree primary amines. Which amine? Ethyl or ethanamine. Better I will write the common name itself. Ethyl amine is formed. You can also go for the benzene nitrile or cyanobenzene in presence of nickel, in place of nickel HCl, and forms a same compound that we already prepared in the nitro group, that is aniline. With the substituted aniline is directly converted. So this is reduction of nitrates or silane group, and the reducing agent is nickel HCl. Nickel and HCl. What type of amines we can prepare? We can prepare 2 types of amines. One is aliphatic amine, one more is aromatic amine. But both are primary amine. This is also 1 degree amine. It is also 1 degree. Amines can be prepared from this reaction, reduction of nitrates. Next is reduction of amines. Reduction of amines. Next is reduction of amines. Now, what is the reagent required? Reagent required is the powerful reagent, that is lithium aluminum hydride, which is the best reducing agent ever. Lithium aluminum hydride, which produces enormous large number of nascent hydrogen, which further reduces the amides into amides. Now what is the formula of amide? Just write down the general reaction. RC double bond O, RC double bond O, then NH2. This particular group is called as amide. To this amide, alkyl group is connected. So our aryl group is also connected. Just alkyl group you can take, which when reacts with lithium aluminium hydride, which produces 4 hydrogen. What type of hydrogen? Just bond hydrogen or atomic form of hydrogen, that is nascent hydrogen, which further eliminates or removes the oxygen. So it is a reduction takes place in 2 ways. It removes the oxygen, also remaining 2 hydrogens will get added up, so that what happens, 2 hydrogen among 4 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen can take this oxygen because of the pi bonds, get separated out in the form of H2O. Then the valency of hydrogen, once oxygen get eliminated, then 2 valencies are satisfied with again remaining 2 hydrogen, so that you obtain 2 hydrogen connects here, so that you will get RCH2 NH2, RCH2 NH2. Let's take down the example. CH3 double bond NH2, which reacts with 4 nascent hydrogen. Then similar compound. What is the catalyst used? Same catalyst, nickel, lithium, aluminium hydride. Then it forms CH3, CH2, NH2 plus H2O, removes in the form of the water comes out. Then this is called as ethyl amine. This is called as ethyl amine. Similarly, you can also try for the benzyl amide. This is acetamide. The name of this compound is acetamide, and this is ethyl. So acetamide can be easily converted into ethyl amine by this reaction. Next is, so this is very important for the NEET. It is very important for the NEET. 2-3 times they ask this reagent, lithium aluminum hydride. So the next is, third one is HBD, that is HBD reaction. HBD reaction, Hoffman bromide reaction. And the fourth one is Hoffman's bromide, Hoffman bromide degradation. Degradation reaction. Generally it is called as HBD reaction. HBD reaction. Now, very important for the boards as well as for the NEET. Very important among all. This is quite an important reaction, Hoffman bromide reaction. It's a direct reaction where again amide. This reaction, what happens? Amide can be converted into amide. Which amide? Primary amide. Okay, amides are converted into amide with lower chain. One carbon atom less. In the previous one, also we studied by lithium aluminum hydride, but amides are converted into amides, but the same number of carbon atoms. In this reaction, in the HBD reaction, amides are converted into amide with less one carbon atom. Suppose, example, R double bond O NH2. When this reacts with a famous reagent like bromine and aqueous KOH, excess quantity of KOH we need to take 4 KOH and forms the compound directly RNH2 plus potassium bromide plus potassium carbonate plus H2O plus H2O. So 2H2O. Yes, 2H2O. So this compound, this reaction is called as Hofmann bromomide degradation. You have taken, see here, how many carbon atoms are there when I write the chain, that time will come to know. So let's take CH3, C double bond O, NH2. This is acetamide. Which one reacts with bromine, 4 KOH aqueous to form CH3 NH2 plus 2 KBr plus K2 CO3 plus 2 H2O. Then what is this? This is called as primary amine, but methylamine. Methyl amine, 1 degree amine. 1 degree amine. You can also prepare aromatic amine, that is aryl amine, by just simply taking out, by substituting benzene. This is benzamide. This is benzenamide. Sorry, it is benzenamide. It is benzenamide. So benzenamide is treated with what? Bromine in presence of 4 KOH to form which compound? It forms aniline. NH2 plus 2 KBr plus K2 CO3 plus 2 H2O. What is this? This is called as phenylamine aniline. Aniline. So that what happens here, by the way, totally what you can say is, in the conversion of amide into amine, if it is HBD reaction, Hofmann bromomide reaction, this group completely get eliminated and this two will be forms a product. Okay, this is completely get eliminated in the form of K2CO3. So this is called as Hofmann bromomide reaction. Very very important reaction where primary amines, primary aliphatic amine, primary aromatic amines will be prepared in this type of reaction. So whenever you are referring, please refer it properly. So write down more number of times so that the reaction becomes more perfect for the better understanding also. And this is very very important reaction for the purpose of board and for the purpose of NEET. In the board, 100% this reaction will definitely come. So please be ready and practice more number of time.